horrible and traumatic as the forced deportation was, and the life on the border in no man's land, it turned to have a silver lining for me, that it got out of Germany. If we had not been deported, there's absolutely no doubt that we would have been sent to a death camp in Germany. So that was the saving grace for me. But I never had to go through a concentration camp or a death camp. And in deference to those who do, I think the word survivor ought to be limited to them. My survival was, as traumatic as it was not as harrowing. Once I got to Poland and from Poland to England, I was no longer in any danger. Even living in the border town or village in Poland for 9 months, the life, we were not in danger of our lives, not really, because we were in Poland. So I don't think I really earned that epithet that I'm a survivor, I'm a refugee. And I always considered myself a refugee. But I might say this, regarding my identity, I never had any trouble with my identity. I was and am, anytime, anywhere, a Jew.